Gold had a pretty rough week, however, it will recover. Hi, my name is Raji, and I do technical analysis for educational purposes and also for fun. Let's look at gold a bit more closely. Throughout the week, it actually hit 4,400, which is exactly what I called in my last video where I covered gold, and I'll attach it at the end of this video as well. And then since then, it's been consolidating, and currently it is sitting at 49.64, which is slightly above the 5-hour moving average line, which is 49.59, and it is above the 50-hour moving average line. That's the green line right here, which is 48.83, but still below the 200-hour moving average line, which is 50.27. Now the question is, can it overtake that? I believe it will be overtaking it eventually. And the reason for that is, look at the stochastic RSI right here. Although it is below the signal, I think it's going to try to overtake it right here. It's literally 3 points, even 2.5 points below the signal. And from a MACD perspective, yes, we have smaller rectangles that are shrinking in size, but they're not shrinking like really fast. So I wouldn't be surprised if there happens a reversal right here. So just keep a close eye. And then one thing that I noticed that is quite interesting, if you are into patterns, you'll notice right here that there is a W-shaped formation that is forming. There's half of the W, there's the V, and there's the other V that is building. So that's why I really believe that this line right here, the green line, will curve upwards, overtake the red line, which is the 200-hour moving average line, do a golden cross, and this will push upwards, and the price of gold will increase. Let's look at the daily really quickly. So the daily, as you can see right here, is weak bullish. I don't know if you can even call it bullish, but it's definitely above the signal by 0.6. So not a lot, but it's trying to recover on the MACD. You see the light pinkish blocks starting to show up. As long as they decrease in size and then switch to dark green, then this will push upwards towards the overbought zone, and the price will increase as well. So it doesn't look very bad on the daily. In fact, it looks okay. Similarly, on the weekly, you can see that it's well above the signal on the stochastic RSI by 13 points. And from a MACD perspective, increasing size of dark green, yes, I'd like to see more a difference between one block and the other by a great deal, not as small as they are right now, just to give more of a boost to the stochastic RSI and to the price as well. Last but not least, let's look at the monthly. The monthly is pretty strong. You can see both the signal and the stochastic are sitting at 100%, so it's perfect. And boy, it looks fantastic on the MACD, increasing size of dark green, and you can see it just moving away from the signal. So great picture right here. And from a charting perspective, you can see that the 5-month moving average line is a strong support. It's really following the line right here and pushing upwards every single time. So it keeps on cooling down, then pushes upwards. So in my opinion, I think gold is doing just fine. This is actually a great opportunity, and I think gold will push upwards in order to complete the W-shaped formation. And we'll probably see new highs. So that's pretty much it for gold. Hope you enjoyed watching this technical analysis, and if you did, please press the like and subscribe button for more videos that I will share in the near future. Take care and have a great day.